Oshino Hakkai Soba is a traditional noodle culture born from the pure spring water of Mount Fuji. The clear water of Oshino Hakkai has long been used to make delicate handmade soba noodles. Soba is one of Japan's most traditional foods, loved for its simple flavor and connection to nature. In Yamanashi, many people add suridane, a spicy seasoning made with chili and sesame. Let's experience authentic soba making in Yamanashi, Japan. Add water little by little and mix the buckwheat flour evenly. Spread your fingers and mix quickly by hand. When small lumps begin to form, move on to kneading. Knead the dough firmly using the palm of your hand. Use your body weight to press the dough smoothly. The dough is ready when the surface becomes smooth and soft. Sprinkle cornstarch before rolling. Roll the dough evenly into a thin square shape. Thin dough creates smooth and delicate soba noodles. Fold the dough carefully before cutting. Cut the noodles into thin strips using a sharp knife. Thin and even noodles create the best texture. Our staff will boil the noodles for you. Fresh soba cooks quickly, usually in about 3 minutes. Enjoy your soba with green onions, wasabi, and dipping sauce. You can also try suridane, a traditional spicy seasoning from Yamanashi. In Japan, slurping noodles is a normal part of soba culture.